Hey guys!
It's been a minute since I have uploaded a video. I just have not had time to upload a video. Last video I think was in July or August of last year. This video is gonna be a get ready with me to nowhere video. I literally have nowhere to go. Why not film a freaking video for you guys for the like 50 subscribers I have? If that, maybe not even. I have a feeling I lost a lot from not uploading, so honestly, like, that really matters to me, but I just thought I would go ahead and film this video. I already did my eyebrows, they look like crap, but we're gonna sculpt them out, we're gonna do the whole thing and do that. Actually, I have to get some gas, so maybe I'll take you guys with me to get some gas, but other than that, I have nowhere else to go because I'm actually literally broke. You know, adulting is just like a huge responsibility, and it takes a lot to do, you know, bills. I have a gift card for gas, so I think we're all good. I need to stop doing this because it's really irritating. So let's go ahead and get right into the get ready with me to nowhere video. Okay, so like I said, I just did my eyebrows and again, they look horrible, but I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use all these really pretty colors. I'll be doing a full face and then literally like right after, I'm going to take it all off. After I take all of the Instagram pictures that I need. So for some reason, I have a feeling that this is going to turn out really freaking bad. And I hope I have enough storage for this video. So I'm not going to school this semester, so I should have a lot of time to make videos because I don't go back until August and it's actually January. So I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas last year. There have been a few times when I was gonna actually film like a what I got for Christmas video, but honestly, like, is anyone really gonna watch that? Probably not. There we go. Sculpt up my brows. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Porcelain Beige.
Porcelain Beige?
I have fair, but that was too dark. So I had to get Porcelain Beige. I don't even know if that's the, like, lightest shade. I don't freaking know. Sculpting out my brows. And I'm using the Morphe M421 brush. It's like the only brush I use for concealer. I really don't know what else to talk about right now, and I'm just doing my makeup and forgetting that this whole thing's actually recording. I made a new Instagram account because the one before I forgot my password and I have like 20,000 Instagrams. So we're just gonna go with the newer Instagram, and I'm gonna link that down below or somewhere on the screen, and you guys can go follow me from there. Gotta get those followers, gotta get all those. I use the L'Oreal Palace. That's what the brand is. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow in 201 and 202. I don't know if you could even see because the lighting sucks and I need a ring light, but I have to mix these together because I'm pale. I just can never find the right shade. So I only put a little bit of 202 and I put more of 201. And then I mix those together with my sponge and just mix it together. Hope for the best, really. That's what we have going on. We're just hoping for the best. I put too much of 202 in there and now I look like a zombie, which we don't want. Also, this is going everywhere, so that's kind of annoying. have you guys been? Have you been alive? Have you been, I mean, I sure hope you've been alive if you're watching this video. Have you been thriving? Because I sure have. I love this foundation. I just don't think it's my freaking shade, which is kind of annoying. I really want Olive Garden for some strange reason. Like, I really want, like, their breadsticks. Oh, bomb. Or I want Mexican. I want Moe's. I don't go to Chipotle because I'm not basic. I actually know what I want to eat for once. It's actually, like, a record for me. I never know what I want to eat. Ask my boyfriend. I never know what I want to eat. This is probably really boring, so I don't know if you're still watching. But if you're still watching, comment down below Mexican food. Like, just comment that down below. Oh, I love looking at my pores. Now I need to do concealer. While I'm baking, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape and then I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna take the sponge that's not wet. You know what? I have this thing of water right here and I'm just gonna wet it now. I'm just gonna wet it. All that's in it is water and I'm not gonna drink out of it again. So there was one time when I was wearing concealer to school and I was just wearing concealer and my eyeshadow, and then I thought it looked so bomb in the car and I was taking selfies and everything, and then halfway through the day I looked and it was so freaking orange. Like, I know you're really supposed to wear concealer with foundation, but like I just didn't, because I didn't want to wear foundation and it, let alone did not have the time to. I just didn't have time to do that. It was so orange. I did not have makeup remover with me, so I could not take it off. So I had to suffer with that the rest of the day at school. Wow. My pores are bad. Like, from far away, my makeup looks really good. But like, the more I stare at it, no. I need to bake. Because I actually am the definition of the egg. Which, by the way, like, why did that start? Who started it? Like, that, and like, it's only, what's the date? I don't even know what the date is. The 14th, 15th? Like, I love how that's the first trend of 2019, which I'm pretty sure it's the first trend of 2019. Also, if you've ever wondered what this powder feels like in your eye, it kind of burns. We're gonna go let my dogs out because they're barking. And then we'll see how bad our foundation is in the sun. By the way, it's cloudy, so like, I don't even know why. Come on, doggies. Ew, it rained. I guess it's not bad. I guess it's the best you're gonna get. I'm gonna look back at this footage later anyways and just notice how bad it is. I started going to the gym and I went on Sunday, and then Monday morning I was sore because I literally don't work out, and that was like the first time working out in a while, and my legs were so freaking sore that like Monday morning I just felt like crap. Like, my legs are so sore. My neck has been sore for like 4 days. I mean, it's going really good right now, but like, so sore. I'm gonna take this bake off. I'm gonna get this brush. I use this one all the time. The e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. I used to take off my bake, and I guess that doesn't look bad. Like, I guess my makeup doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna go as is. I already have foundation on my eyes, so you know, I might as well. Some more eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one right here. And I'm pretty sure I have younger viewers, so I'm not gonna say that word. So I'm gonna use the Color Bomb Ass. And all over where I just put the concealer, again, this is not a tutorial. I'm gonna use my finger because it's way easier. I have an eye crusty. Are you kidding me? Now I got red under my eye. I really don't feel like going to the gas station right now. But I said I was going to, so I'm going to. Gonna keep my promise, okay? I've been playing a lot of PUBG recently. PUBG Mobile. PUBG's better than Fortnite. Sorry, but it is. This looks like crap. Like, this actually looks like trash. Like, the more that I stare at it, the more horrible it looks. And the more I look like an egg. So, it's just, you know? So bad.
Crap!
I meant to spray the freaking spray before I did my, oh my god. I'm done. Wow. I love when I look like crap. Let's go.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
I just got a compliment on my makeup.